Hey everyone, I am Puja and welcome back to another episode of Disney Princess Makeup Series. So today I have created this peachy pinky look. It is inspired from Aurora, also known as Sleeping Beauty. So if you are interested to know how I've created this look, please keep on watching. And also if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, share and also subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first up, I'm using this foundation by Avon In, and I'm putting it all over my face and blending out with a beauty sponge. To seal the foundation, I'm using this compact powder by Avon so that everything stays in place and nothing goes away or melts down. Also, next up, I'm taking this eye and lip palette by Avon and taking this brown transition shade and putting it on my crease and blending it out with the help of a brush. Next up, I'm taking this brinjal color and applying it on my crease to give it a depth and also to intensify the colors. And then I'm using this pink shimmery shade. With the help of the finger, I'm putting it in my lid and then I'm blending it out with the brush by using the same purple color that I use in my crease. I'm using this pink color on my lid and brown color on my crease because Aurora always does this natural pink makeup on her eyes. And next up, I'm swatching these three shimmery shades. One is golden, the other one is champagne, and the last one is grey. These are very pigmented and beautiful. And then I'm taking the golden and brown shade. I'm mixing the both of them and putting it on my lower lash line. Did not wanted any dark color to be on my lower lash line, so I used this golden color and grey color. Next up, I took this golden color and I placed it in my inner corner and my brow bone. Then I'm using this mascara by Avon. I'm just coating my lashes. It is a normal mascara because I don't want any length or I don't want any volume in my lashes. I just want my lashes to be visible. That's why I'm using the normal one. So her blush is in the upward direction, so I'm concentrating the blush in the upward direction and high points of my face, not in the center of my face, to give some uplifted look. Then I'm using this Maybelline highlighter in the shade Molten Gold and applying it on the high points of my cheek, on the bridge of my nose, my chin, my forehead and all the high points of my face. Then I'll be using this lip crayon by Lakme in a peach color and applying it on my lip, as Aurora's lipstick is something like peachy and orangey. Complete the look, I wore some beautiful earrings and also a tiara on my head, and I also did my hair. And that's all for today's video, and I hope you all will like it. See you soon with another Disney Princess character look. Till then, bye, take care and lots of love.